So the job today is to pull the chimney down. So I'm going to investigate how I rig it and work out how to do that. That's the direction I want to pull. So I'm going to line up the digger so we pull in line with the chimney. So line the kingpin up over the middle and swing the boom round so it's straight. Now when I go straight forwards and backwards, it should be in line with my boom. Backwards, I'll still be pulling straight. I've got this big piece of door cord and I'm going to tie a Zeppelin knot in it. That is a Zeppelin knot. So now this loop of draw cord, I'm going to use it double. And then I'm just going to wrap it around the chimney and attach my better rope to that. So my rope will go on here and this loop will be round the chimney. So I'm going to get the ladder and do that. I'll throw my rope over the wall. Taking the rope up.
The wall nearly went, didn't it? Saw the wall wobble.
To the left. Must have been the way it was built.
Whoa.
Pulling it slightly to the right.
Was that a success?
I would say, wouldn't you?
Did that go as you wanted?
Yeah. It went a bit to the left. But no harm done.
Saw that wall wobble?
What, this wall?
Yeah.
That's the most fragile wall of the whole lot.
Yeah.
I thought there was a good chance the whole thing might come down. pulling it slightly to the right.
Is that success?
Well done, Mike.
I would say, wouldn't you?
That was quick.
Quick.
That was quick. Right, it goes to the left. Must have been the right. It was pulling it slightly to the right.
Is that success?
Well done, Mike.
I would say, wouldn't you?
Did that go as you wanted?
Yeah. Yeah. It went a bit to the left. Hey. Right, let's see if this Zeppelin knot will come apart. Now we've put it under load.
You didn't have a load measuring device on your...
Nah.
It's a nice rope too. Look at
My
that.
tow rope. Yeah. Came apart nicely. Good. Looks like there was a bird's nest in there somewhere. That's how it fell. Indoors. There's also a big lump fell intact. And the lintel of the window came off. The rope got bitten through as predicted. So will this knot come undone? Let's see if the Zeppelin knot comes untied. Yeah, it comes untied beautifully. This is the only knot I'm ever using where it's tightened very severely. From now on. Perfect. So it looks a bit different with no chimney.